Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how you can withdraw money from your PayPal account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then let's get started. First thing, you have to log in into your PayPal account. So for that, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.paypal.com. And once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the profile page or the official site, and then in the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the login option. So you need to click on it and then enter your email address and the password associated to your PayPal account, and then you'll be logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the summary or the home page, and on this particular page you can see under PayPal balance there is an option as transfer money. So then you'll need to click on it. Next interface, you'll need to select the method on how you can withdraw or transfer the money. So then you'll need to click on transfer from PayPal to your bank. So as you click on it, a drop down menu will appear. So from there you'll have to choose the method of transferring or the speed of transferring. So then you'll have two different options, that is standard and instant. If you select standard, then it might take 1 or 2 days in order to complete the transaction, and of course it is free. And if it is urgent, then you can tap on instant, which will only take 1 or 2 hours. Once you're done selecting next interface, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and once you're done entering it, tap on next, which is right at the bottom, and then you've completed the transaction. And that is how you can withdraw money from your PayPal account. So that was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.